friends, welcome to Jyoti Tandon's kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you the recipe of to make one of the most popular Indian desserts, Kalakand. I'll be making it with the fresh homemade paneer, and the twist is I'm making a very quick and easy version to make it at home in the microwave oven. First step is to make the paneer. I'm boiling 2 liters of milk first. And you can also check out the recipe of how to make paneer from my other video in detail. But for the purposes of this recipe, I'll share the quick version. Now that the milk is boiling, I've added 2 tablespoons of vinegar to make the milk start to curdle. I'm draining all the excess water and only keeping the milk curds, as that is the base and the paneer that we are going to use to make the Kalakand. Wash the paneer with cold water and squeeze out all the excess water. Crumble the fresh paneer and make sure there are no lumps. Although we have made more paneer, I'm only going to take 1 cup of the paneer for the purposes of making Kalakand or Mishri Mawa. I have taken a Pyrex bowl of about 8 by 8 inches, and in this I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of ghee, and actually you just need a little ghee to spread it at the bottom, and that's the only ghee that I'll be using in the whole recipe. Otherwise it's all just going to be a milk delicious dessert. The main 3 ingredients needed for this recipe are paneer, condensed milk and milk powder. I'm now using 1 cup of homemade fresh paneer, and you can actually either grate it if you're using a paneer from the market, or if you don't have paneer and you don't have the time to make the paneer at home, you can actually use 1 cup of ricotta cheese as well as an alternative. But using the fresh paneer from home makes the Kalakand really moist and juicy. I like to break up the paneer into very small pieces by hand, and then I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of milk powder and half a cup of condensed milk. I normally use a 2:1 proportion. So if it's 2 cups of paneer, then 1 cup of condensed milk. In this case, I've used 1 cup of paneer, so it's half a cup of condensed milk. I'm going to stir it really well. The other ingredients that I'll be using are cardamom powder or elaichi powder, a pinch of that in this paneer itself. I have already put some saffron leaves into the milk just to get the color in advance. So I'm going to pour some of this now, and I'll save some for the end for the decoration. And the nuts I will be using in the end for decoration and garnish as well. Now that I have mixed all the 3 major ingredients along with some cardamom powder and saffron milk, I'm going to now put this in the microwave for 3 minutes. I took it out after 3 minutes, and I'm going to stir it up really well once again and put it back for 3 more minutes. It out after the second round of 3 minutes, and I'm going to again break it down with a spoon because it's really hot, fresh from the microwave, and put it in for 2 more minutes. Now that I've taken it out after the last 2 minutes, I like adding 1 tablespoon of condensed milk at this point just to make it moist, sweeter and juicy. At this point, I'm going to add the remainder saffron milk that we had saved and garnish the kalakand or the mishri mava with some chopped almonds and press them down with a spoon. Make sure to refrigerate the kalakand for at least 2 hours. It will set to a soft barfi texture and then you can cut it into any shape of your choice. I hope you enjoy these delicious and fresh kalakand. Please like and subscribe to my channel for lots more of healthy and delicious recipes. And always remember, eat naturally, live happily.